Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing the bottle for use. Rinse the interior and cap under warm running water to remove manufacturing residue. Once done, mix 1 teaspoon baking soda with warm water and swish it inside for 2 minutes to neutralize odors. This cleans without harsh chemicals. Make sure to inspect the silicone seal and threads closely so leaks don't surprise you later. If paint or finish shows defects, note them now and avoid abrasive scrubbing that could worsen damage. You'll set the temperature baseline by pre-warming or pre-chilling. Fill the bottle briefly with hot or cold water, swirl, then discard to reduce thermal shock. Once done, fill with your drink, remembering not to pour boiling liquids directly. Steel conducts heat and can scald. Make sure to close the cap firmly and keep the bottle upright to maintain temperature and prevent spills. If you plan long outings, use an insulated sleeve to protect hands and extend thermal retention. You finish use with proper cleaning. Rinse after each use and perform a weekly deep clean using a 1-to-1 vinegar soak or a bottle brush with mild soap to remove buildup. Once done, dry thoroughly and store the bottle with the cap off so air circulates and mold doesn't form. If you encounter a leak, first check the silicone gasket and thread alignment. Reposition the seal, tighten correctly, and if it still leaks, replace the gasket. This fix solves most leakage issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.